Hi, Mrs. Matillo. Back again. I'm here to read Penguins, Explore My World. An Emperor Penguin. For these penguins, Antarctica is home sweet home. It's a frozen snowy place without lakes or rivers or a single blade of anything green. Waddle. This tall as a first grader bird doesn't mind that the temperatures are below zero, way below zero. Their bodies are perfect for a refrigerated life. A baby penguin would not survive long in this frozen world by itself. Luckily, emperor parents know how to protect their little one. After mom lays an egg, she rolls it from her webbed feet onto dad's. Oops, careful. When the egg is safely atop dad's feet, he lowers a special feathered pouch to keep it cozy and warm. Mom leaves right away. She needs to find food, and for that she must travel to the sea. She will walk many miles before reaching water. Her leathery feet march across the snow. Her sharp claws grip icy spots. When she finds the sea, Mom will feast for weeks. Brr, why Antarctica? How can penguins live in Antarctica? Leathery webbed feet are great for standing on ice and swimming. Feathers are tightly packed and waterproof. Underneath, a layer of fat called blubber helps protect against the chill. Brr. Shiver, bone-chilling cold, icy winds and blizzards. The penguin dads stand through it all, keeping the egg safe and warm. He does not get a break for 2 long months, not even to eat. Can you imagine going 2 months without food? To keep from freezing, all the father penguins in a group or colony huddle close together. They take turns shuffling onto the toasty middle, then out again. Mom penguin returns to the colony in July or August. She and Dad call back and forth until they find each other. Why, hello, chick. As soon as Mom tucks the hatchling into her own feather pouch, Dad takes off. It's his turn to find food, the sea, and much needed food. Like Mom, he waddle walks over miles of ice and snow. He sometimes flops forward to toboggan, pushing with his feet and flippers. Look, he's on his belly. What's for lunch? What, would penguins eat carrots? Do they eat fish? Do you eat fish? What do emperor penguins eat? Penguins eat food found only in the sea, like Antarctic silverfish, smoked squid, and Antarctic krill. Does that sound like good lunch to you? Not for me, no thanks. From their colony, penguins might have to walk 50 miles to find open, unfrozen water. They dive deeper than any other bird to 1850 feet. That's a very, very, very deep dive. And they're able to stay under for 15 to 20 minutes without taking a breath. Can you hold your breath for 15 to 20 minutes? Mrs. Mitchell is lucky if she could hold it for 2. Glurp. Mom penguin's belly is still full of seafood. She brings bits up into her mouth to feed her chick. The fuzzy chick grows bigger, braver. It pops out to take a look at the world. It's a white neighborhood and toddles over to the snow to meet new friends. Look how cute they are. Summer arrives in December, and ice near the colony breaks up. An adult penguin chick sits while Mom goes off to fish. See, even they have babysitters. Pretty cool. Dive, penguin. At last, the penguin is big enough to try swimming and fishing on its own. Sploosh. There it goes. So here is a map of all the penguins. There are 17 different types of penguins. Most of them live in Earth's southern hemisphere along the coast. Follow the key below to see where on the earth some of these penguins live. So this little guy is the Galapagos penguin, and he's in the Galapagos Islands. This little guy is the Humboldt penguin, and he's in northern Chile and Peru. Over here, we have the African penguin, and he is in Namibia and South Africa. This is the Gentoo penguin, and he's in the subantarctic islands and the Antarctic Peninsula. This is the emperor penguin, and he's in Antarctica. This little dude is a little blue or fairy penguin, and they're in New Zealand and Australia. And this guy is the Erect Crusted penguin. He's in the Antipodes, Bounty, Auckland, and Campbell Islands. And that's the end of our penguin book. All right. Hope you learned a little bit more about penguins. See you soon.